Welcome to Cecelia O World's kitchen. Meat lovers come around. Let's make spicy homemade Nigerian suya. Cecelia O World's kitchen. Make the spicy Mallam tasty delicious suya.
Oh yeah! Nigerian in diaspora, African in diaspora living abroad. Come learn how to make healthy, yummy, delicious Nigerian Mallam tasty suya from the comfort of your home.
Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you doing today? In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this Nigerian suya. It actually tastes like the real Mallam suya in Nigeria. Come along, sit back, relax, let's dive in. So to make this healthy, yummy, delicious Nigerian suya from the comfort of your home, I use this ingredient. I use the vegetable oil. I use the kuli, the groundnut paste. I also use some ginger. I use the onion, red bell pepper. I use the dry pepper, and I also use some seasoning for taste. And I use the ginger powder. So I added all the dried ingredients and I blended this to give me the Mallam spicy, tasty suya sauce. And this is it. And this is how to make that. After this was done, the next thing I did was to grill the marinated beef, and I used a small barbecue grill that I got from Timo here. And this is the marinated beef. I already added this onto the skewer, and this is the bell pepper and some onions. Actually putting that at the bottom of the skewer is optional. And this is the vegetable oil that I use. It has some suya spice already in it, and this is the suya spice which I use the blended ginger, kuli, red bell pepper, groundnut oil, and everything. And I marinated the beef with the vegetable oil and with the already grinded suya spice. And this is how to do it. And don't forget to soak your skewer so that it doesn't burn while you're grilling your suya. And this is what I did. I put all together, and boom, I was able to make the Nigerian tasty suya spice. So after I was done putting all the beef on the skewer, I marinated the beef again with some vegetable oil to allow the already suya spice to stick to the beef. You need to do this so that it can stick and get into the beef to give it the taste that you want. And this is me, and this is how I end up doing this.
Make healthy, yummy, delicious Nigerian Mallam tasty suya from the comfort of your home.
Oh na na na, yeah yeah yeah. Suya, oh yeah. Welcome to Cecelia O World's kitchen. Meat lovers come.
So after this was done, the next thing I did was to grill this on the barbecue grill at around 300 Fahrenheit. Again, you want to make sure that you had enough vegetable oil to rub this on the beef. This is going to allow the suya spice to stick well on the beef. And that is the suya spice. Don't forget to get the Mallam taste suya spice. You want to use kuli, you want to use some herbs, you also want to use ginger powder and some seasoning, and you don't want to add too much of the seasoning. And this is how I got the taste, and these actually taste very, very good and delicious, and you will see the outcome shortly. So I grill this at around 300 Fahrenheit because you don't want your suya to get burnt. I had to reduce the heat at some point so that it doesn't burn. But this actually came nice, and the suya spice also came well. And this is it, and this is my husband. He actually loved the suya spice and also the suya. So this is how to make your homemade Nigerian Mallam tasty suya from the comfort of your home. If you live in abroad and you don't have the opportunity to get the Nigerian suya, if you don't live in Nigeria, let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this it or purse? Will you try this? Let me know. Until next time, it's to your girl Cecelia O World. I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you.
Nigerian suya. Cecelia O World's kitchen made a spicy mallam tasty delicious suya. Oh yeah, make una